How to add clickable link in Instagram Reels. You can't add a direct clickable link within an Instagram Reel itself unless it's a sponsored ad for businesses. But you can use workarounds. So first thing you can do is to go ahead and open Instagram into your mobile device, and then from here click on this plus icon at the bottom middle of your screen. So this will allow you to upload on your Instagram account. So go ahead and click on that plus icon, and then from here set this to reel, and then select the video that you want to upload as a reel, and then click on next. You can go ahead and add a text overlay saying link in bio. You can also click on stickers and then search for a link in bio sticker in here that you can easily fill into your current reel that you have. So select a sticker and then place it on the reel, and then click on next. And that is how you can basically add clickable link in Instagram Reels. You can't add clickable links for personal accounts. You can only add it if you're on a business account and if it's a sponsored ad for businesses.